The increased use of AI detectors like Turnitin in institutions has complicated the landscape of plagiarism removal or reduction. Before now, when you used paraphrasing tools like Quillbot, you could easily remove plagiarism from a document. However, now if you use Quillbot to paraphrase original text or AI-generated text, you will get low plagiarism levels, but with high AI scores. This is because plagiarism checkers like Turnitin can now detect AI paraphrasing. What is the solution? You should use excellent AI humanizers to paraphrase not only ChatGPT-generated content, but also while citing sources found on Google Scholar, ScienceDirect, etc. If you are even using only ChatGPT, you should know that ChatGPT now has access to the internet sources. So, the generated output from ChatGPT is detected as AI on Turnitin and other plagiarism checkers. There are many AI humanizers out there, but some of them are very terrible. They either don't humanize the generated text, or they produce very horrible text with bad grammar and sentence structures. However, in this video, we are testing two tools that claim to beat the AI detectors and plagiarism checkers. They are Quillbot and Tenorshare AI Bypass. Do you know that Quillbot now has an AI humanizer? Yes, it does. How are we going to do this? First, I will generate a document which we will run, or should I say humanize, on Quillbot and Tenorshare AI Bypass. I'm using a mix of ChatGPT deep research generated content and academic sources because this reflects how most students and researchers actually write. Combining AI help with real citations, which also makes the test more realistic and challenging for both tools. This will help reflect how most students and researchers write. Combining AI help with real citations, which also makes the test more realistic and challenging for both tools. If you think I am wrong that most students and researchers write this way, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, when I checked the file on Turnitin Plagiarism Checker, it had a 71% AI score and 40% plagiarism. Let us begin removing plagiarism and humanizing on Quillbot AI Humanizer before we do the same on Tenorshare AI Bypass. I love these tools. Quillbot is typically a paraphrasing tool, which is most often detected as AI paraphrasing on Turnitin. However, they recently rolled out an AI humanizer and an excellent AI detector that checks just like Turnitin Plagiarism and AI Checker. I am already uploading our document to Quillbot AI Humanizer. This will be quick. I will use the advanced mode to rephrase and humanize our sample text. Copy and save the file as Quillbot done. It is time to run our sample text on Tenorshare AI Bypass. Tenorshare AI Bypass is one of the most accurate AI bypassing tools I have used to pass all AI detectors. It humanizes and removes plagiarism without changing the idea, and with excellent grammar and sentence structures. I have a video on Tenorshare AI. You can check it in the description box below, right after this video. For Tenorshare, I will copy and paste our text from the same document. I am using the ultra-enhanced mode and the standard tone. However, you can choose any of the modes or tones. Then, paste text here. Scroll down a bit and hit the Humanize button. Now we would test the rephrased text of both Quillbot AI Humanizer and Tenorshare AI Bypass on 3 AI and plagiarism checkers, including Turnitin Originality AI and Grammarly Plagiarism and AI detectors. These tools were chosen because they all have both plagiarism and AI detectors. Again, they are widely used in academic and professional settings. For instance, Turnitin is the industry standard in schools and universities, Originality. AI is known for accurately detecting AI-generated content, and Grammarly offers quick, accessible plagiarism and AI checks for everyday use. Let us start our test with Originality AI. It is frequently said that if you can bypass Originality AI, you will pass any other AI detector like Turnitin. Let us find out. I will copy the output of Quillbot and paste it into Originality AI. Oh my! The text humanized by Quillbot has a very high AI score on Originality AI, but the plagiarism levels dropped significantly. I think Quillbot needs to still work on its AI humanizer. I prefer their paraphrasing tool because I know how to use it and not get detected. You can check my channel for the video. But now comes the fun part. We're going to take the output of Tenorshare AI bypass and check it on Originality AI. I copy the text and move over to Originality AI. Here we are. Beautiful. Originality AI said the text from Tenorshare AI is 99% original. The plagiarism level is 7%. However, before I conclude, we should check both Quillbot and Tenorshare AI results on Grammarly AI and Plagiarism Checker and Turnitin. I will start by uploading the Quillbot file to Grammarly to check for AI and plagiarism. Look at this. The grammar level for Quillbot is impressive, 86%. Now let's see what the plagiarism and AI levels will be. This is interesting. The plagiarism level dropped to 8% while the AI score was only 2%. This means that Quillbot AI humanizer bypasses Grammarly Checker. Let's see what Tenorshare AI will be. Awesome. The grammar level was the same with that of Quillbot, 86%. The AI score was also the same, 2% AI, but the plagiarism level was a bit lower. It was 5%. When I check both Quillbot AI humanizer output and Tenorshare AI bypass on Turnitin, Quillbot had an AI score of 31%, while the plagiarism level, that was initially 40% before we humanized the text, dropped to 15% similarity index. The results for Tenorshare AI on Turnitin was truly impressive. AI was 0%, while the plagiarism level was 11%. As we conclude, here is a summary of all tests. If you want to confidently remove plagiarism and still have 0% AI score on Turnitin and other checkers, use Tenorshare AI. Tenorshare AI bypass outperforms Quillbot when it comes to removing AI detection, especially with tools like Originality AI and Turnitin. It also does a better job of eliminating plagiarism without sounding robotic. If you need full control over tone, style, or rewriting depth, Quillbot is still a good option. But if your main goal is to bypass AI and plagiarism detectors fast and free, Tenorshare AI bypass is the winner. Let us know in the comments. Have you tried any of these tools? What worked best for you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you out.